madam. My name is Julian Tansinko. I'm 43 years old from Cebu, Philippines. I have an only son, ages 19 years old. I have a work experience in Taiwan for taking care of elderly aged women, ages 84 years old and 93 years old in Taiwan for two employers. First employer, I worked for them for 5 years, straight 5 years, taking care of her, to feed her, maintain her health care, give her the medicine for her maintenance, and laundry, clean or do all the household chores also. I have also worked experience in my second employer for 2 years, same taking care of an elderly aged woman also, age 86 years old. And I have also experience in Singapore. I'm taking care of elderly age also for the age of 93 years old. Um, my routine there is also the same. I iron clothes, I even car wash. I do all the household chores and take care of the elderly aged woman, age 93 years old. I feed her. I gave her the comfortable in her room and give her her maintenance medicine also. That's all. Thank you.